Learn digital marketing guide to getting started. How to learn digital marketing if I could start over. The opportunities to make passive money online fast are becoming more abundant. You can pick up freelance job, start a dropshipping store, create your products and promote them on a blog. Start working on your ideas today to build something meaningful and exciting. Put your effort to good use and your work will pay over time. Digital marketing is a fast evolving field with new trends emerging every day. So if you're trying to launch a career in digital marketing, it can often feel like you are trying to hit a moving target. This is the dilemma that most aspiring marketers face today. How do you balance the need to learn about digital marketing latest developments while also grounding yourself in its fundamentals? That's why I created this video as a guide. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notification button for more. I will reveal everything you need to know about how to launch your digital marketing career, what specialization are most in demand, and what education path is right for you. First of all, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that uses the internet and online-based digital technologies such as desktop computer, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. There are many subsets of digital marketing, which I will detail below. But at the core of each subgroup is the desire to build relationship with consumer through digital channels. Whatever platform you choose, digital marketing relies upon promoting a brand online while personally engaging with your customer. Digital marketing, also known as online marketing, refers to advertising delivered through digital channels to promote brands and connect potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication, such as search engine, websites, social media, email, mobile app, text messaging, web-based advertisement, and so on. In other words, when a marketing campaign uses any of the above online media channel, it is known as digital marketing. Consumers rely heavily on digital means to research products. 70% of customers explore a brand online before engaging with it. According to research, 51% of consumers use Google to research products before buying them. B2B, that is business to business versus business to consumer digital marketing. The strategy works for business to business and business to consumer companies, but best practices differ significantly between the two. Here is a closer look at how digital marketing is used in B2B and B2C consumer marketing strategy. In B2B marketing strategy, here is a closer look at how digital marketing is used in B2B and B2C marketing strategy. B2B clients tend to have longer decision-making process and thus longer sales funnels. Relationship building strategies work better for these clients, whereas B2C customers respond better to short-term offer and messages. B2B transactions are usually based on logic and evidence, which is what skill B2B digital marketing presents. B2C content is emotionally based, focusing on making the consumer feel good about the purchase. B2B decision needs more than one person's input. The marketing materials that best drive these decisions are shareable and downloadable. B2C customers, on the other hand, favor one-on-one connection with a brand. Of course, there are exceptions to every rule. A B2C company with a high-ticket product like a car or computer might offer more informative content. As a result, your digital marketing strategies need to be geared toward your customers' base. Whether you are B2B or B2C, look at your current audience to create well-informed digital campaigns and target online marketing campaigns. Doing so ensures your marketing efforts are practical and you can capture the attention of potential customers. How does digital marketing work? Digital marketing uses a range of strategies to reach customers. The aim is to tempt them into making a purchase, increase your brand awareness, and engage your customers with your brand. Digital marketing comprises of a comprehensive system of channels, including social media, content marketing, website marketing, SEO, that's search engine optimization, PPC, pay-per-click advertising, and many more. To achieve the true potentials of digital marketing, marketers must dig deep into vast and complex channels to discover strategies that make an important through engagement marketing. Engagement marketing is the method of forming meaningful interaction with potentials and returning customers based on data you've collected over time. By engaging customers in a digital landscape, you build brand awareness, position yourself as thought leader, and place your business at the forefront. What does a digital marketer do? Primarily, a digital marketer is in charge of all the digital channels and uses them to drive brand awareness and generate leads. A digital marketer's role and responsibility involve overseeing the development of the overall content strategy for an enterprise and their marketing campaign. A digital marketer leverages the internet to generate leads and increase brand visibility. They use a variety of channels including companies, websites, email marketing, social media, search engine, and blogs. However, digital marketing experts use strategy and creative thinking to identify the best ways for their company to achieve these tasks, relying on their knowledge of trends in technology and the marketing. Learning digital marketing is not tricky, it's not hard. However, it can be intimidating to keep thorough all the online tutorials that don't provide helpful information. Moreover, learning digital marketing from people willing to share their knowledge and genuinely want to help you is a sure way to succeed. Good digital marketing tutorials are easy to use. You can start with the basics and follow along. The benefits of digital marketing skill are enormous. Digital marketing skill can help you get to know your audience, learn important information about them, and provide metrics that will give your marketing credibility. The benefits of digital marketing includes you will get to know your audience. Digital marketing offers the perfect way to get to know and connect with your audience in social media strategy and build a relationship with your audience. Building a relationship with your audience is faster and more efficient. Number 2, it doesn't cost much. Compared to traditional marketing method, digital marketing is cheap. There are fewer overheads. You can create a sleek professional website for a relatively small amount using one of the many template systems or paying more for a bespoke creation. This will help leaders quickly identify the main points and find the information they need without having to read through large blocks of text. 3. You can market to anyone, anywhere. With digital marketing, your potential reach is enormous. Number 4. Add more examples. The video provides a good introduction to digital marketing, but you could benefit from more concrete examples to help viewers better understand the discussed concept. Add real-world case studies or examples of successful digital marketing campaigns that could make the content more engaging and practical for leaders. Number 4. Digital marketing is adaptable. With digital marketing, you can be fast, visible, and elegant. Try different strategies. Assess the results. You can try something different from the following week or month. Get access to real-time data to help inform your business decision. Number 5, you can personalize your channel. Your marketing must deploy across channels. Functional team with multiple skill sets to engage customers where they are at that precise moment. For example, each social media platform includes different audience and expectations, so their marketing may look different for each. This includes tones, imaginary, offers, and scheduling of your posts. Number 6, you can measure campaigns and set KPIs. Digital marketing supports a vast of metrics that can be utilized to determine the effectiveness of your marketing. Start by setting your goals for each channel and the metric you want to see for them. You can track the number of your conversion, leads, visits to your website, and much more, giving you plenty of valuable insights to help grow your business. While engagement marketing is essential, it's equally important to track and analyze data to measure the success of campaign and make informed decisions for future strategies. Including this information will give leaders a more comprehensive understanding of digital marketing. You need to understand each of these channels. Type of digital marketing. Paid search. Paid search, also known as PPC, that is pay-per-click advertising, typically refers to the response results on the top or side of a search engine result page. These ads charge you for every click and can be told to appear when certain search terms are entered. Essentially, ads target audience seeking a particular product or item. As such, these ads can be extremely effective as they rely on data collected from individuals. These ads can be extremely effective as they rely on data collected from individuals' online behavior and are used to boost website traffic by delivering relevant ads to the right people at the right time. These ads also involve retargeting, meaning that marketing automation tools can craft unique personas across platforms based on customers' action. The cons of PPC include cost and labor. Campaign can be heavy on time investment and must be monitored and optimized. Search engine optimization, that is the SEO, is the process of optimizing the content, technical setup, and reach so your page appear at the top of a search engine results page for a specific set of organic online traffic earned through SEO influence on search ranking, and by extension, you can use SEO to massively increase visibility and begin a lasting customer relationship. SEO is defined as increasingly a website ranking in online search results and organic site traffic by using a popular keyword and phrase. Strong SEO strategy hugely influence digital marketing campaign since visibility is the first step to a lasting customer relationship. deploy an SEO strategy on your website and not see much change immediately. So patience is required. Google algorithm updates can also affect your ranking, which could mean having to change your strategy. If you're thinking of outsourcing your SEO to an external company, you need to ask before hiring anyone. Content marketing. Effective content marketing is not outwardly promotional in nature, but instead serves to educate and inspire consumers who are looking for information. When you offer content that are relevant to your audience, it can establish you as a thought leader, as a trustworthy source of information. Advantage of it. Content marketing gets 3 times more lead than paid search advertising. So it's well worth the additional effort. Whether you're creating a blog post, informational guide, white paper, or any other type of content. The challenges for many businesses are multiple. Finding the resources, creating something that stands out from the competition, and maintaining monumental. However, the key to effective social media marketing goes far beyond simply having a few social media accounts. The advantage include, but not the least, you must use your social media channel properly and effectively. The more your audience is inspired, the more they engage with your content, the more likely they are to share it, potentially urging their peers to become customers as well. The disadvantages include, but not the least, it's worth varying your content on different platforms. What works well on Twitter might not be as effective on Instagram, which is more visual. Again, know your audience and what they want. Research more about email marketing. After more than 2 decades, email marketing is the quickest and most direct way to reach customers with useful information. Today, successful email campaigns must be incredibly engaging, relevant, informative, and entertaining. Not to get buried in your customers' inbox. To succeed, your marketing email should satisfy 5 core attributes. They must be trustworthy, relevant, conversational, and coordinated across channels. Strategic scheduling and timing is very important. Don't bombard customers' inboxes with repetitive or irrelevant messaging, and they could hit the unsubscribe button. This makes marketing on mobile incredibly important. 2/3 of consumers can recall a specific brand they have seen and advertised on mobile. But mobile is also very nuisance considering its intimate nature. The advantages is that SMS and MMS are in-app marketing are all options to reach your customers on their device. But beyond that, you must consider the coordination of your marketing efforts across other digital marketing channels. Disadvantages include mobile marketing can greatly boost your campaign and your results if done properly. Marketing automation. Marketing automation is an integral part that ties all of your digital marketing together. In fact, companies that automate leads management see a 10% or more bump in revenue in 6 to 9 months. Without it, your campaign will look like an unfinished puzzle with missing information. Marketing automation software streamlines marketing tasks and workflow, measures results, calculate the return on investment of your digital campaign. However, marketing automation can help you gain valuable insights into which programs are working and which aren't. Moreover, this will provide metrics to allow you to increase digital marketing efforts in your company. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification for more video on helping you to make money online. See you in the next video. Bye.